Welcome to MindNest podcast channel. I'm your host, Noah, and as always, I'm joined by the brilliant Leo.
Great to be here, Noah.
Today, we're venturing out into the cosmos, but maybe not as far as you think. We're talking about our own cosmic backyard, the solar system.
Right, and specifically how it's not just some distant, abstract concept, but something that shapes nearly every single moment of our lives.
Exactly. When you think solar system, Leo, what's the first thing that comes to mind? For most people, it's probably images from a science textbook, right? Distant planets, rings, maybe the Mars rover.
It feels very out there, something to be viewed through a telescope, completely separate from our daily grind of work, meals, and sleep.
But it's not separate at all. In fact, it's the foundation for that very grind. Let's start with the most obvious and most important piece of the puzzle, our sun.
Of course, our star. It's so constant that we often take it for granted, but without it, life on Earth simply wouldn't exist. It's not just about providing light and warmth.
Not at all. The sun's energy drives our entire planet's climate and weather systems. It's the engine of our world.
That's a great way to put it. It powers the water cycle, creating clouds and rain. The tilt of the Earth and its orbit around the sun gives us our seasons, which dictates everything from agriculture to animal migration.
And on an even more personal level, it governs our circadian rhythms. Our bodies are fundamentally wired to the cycle of day and night created by Earth's rotation. It tells us when to wake up, when to be active, and when to rest.
That makes sense. And now we're even harnessing its power directly with solar panels, literally plugging our modern lives into our ancient star.
It's incredible. And the sun is just one piece. What about our closest celestial neighbor, the moon?
Ah, the moon. It does more than just inspire poets and werewolves.
Haha, definitely. Its gravitational pull is the main reason we have ocean tides.
Exactly. The rhythmic rise and fall of the sea. That might not seem important if you live inland, but it's critical for coastal ecosystems, for marine life, and even for human activities like shipping and fishing industries.
It's a constant, powerful dance between the Earth and the moon, happening every single day across the globe.
A dance where the moon is actually very slowly drifting away from us, about 1.5 inches every year.
Wow. So even these massive, seemingly permanent systems are constantly changing. I think that's the biggest takeaway for me. The solar system isn't just a static backdrop for our lives.
It's a dynamic, interconnected system that we are an active part of. Understanding that gives us a profound sense of perspective about our place in the universe.
It really does. It reminds us that our daily lives are shaped by these immense cosmic forces. The gravity that holds us to the ground, the sunlight that grows our food, the cycle of day and night.
And it goes even deeper. The very elements that make up our planet and our bodies, the iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, were forged in the hearts of stars that existed long before our sun was even born.
And let's not forget the outer planets, the gas giants. Jupiter, for instance, is like a giant cosmic bodyguard for Earth. We are literally stardust. That's a mind-blowing thought to end on.
It certainly is.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you for joining us on the MindNest podcast. Join us next time as we dive into the mysteries of black holes.